Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your doc file in WhatsApp. So for this you have to download your WhatsApp, or you can also use the WhatsApp web. So if you want to download the WhatsApp, then what you need to do is to click on the start button, then you have to search for the Microsoft Store. Then when you click on the Microsoft Store, you have to wait a couple of seconds to get it loaded. Then you have to search here the WhatsApp here. You can see I have searched the WhatsApp, then you have to click on the WhatsApp here. Then here you need to wait a couple of seconds to get loaded, and here you can, if you click on the install option from here, then it will getting started to download automatically for free. I mean, there were no purchasing fee for using it. And for example, I don't have the app downloaded, that's why I'm showing you in the WhatsApp web, and you can follow the same rules in the app downloaded app also. So if you click on the plus icon from here, I mean the attach icon, then you have to click on the document option from here. Then you have to choose the Word doc file that you would like to share. So for example, I would like to share this doc file. Then you have to simply click on the send button. After you attach it, make sure that you have added that file that you want. Then you have to click on the send option. Then it will automatically get sent to your recipient account or recipient WhatsApp. So it is that much easy, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video.